Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. I'm Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here in Diana, Texas with one of our 2-bedroom, 2-bath Barndominiums that we've almost finished. We've almost got everything completed out and cleaned up here. We just wanted to take a few minutes and walk you around and show you the completed project here in Diana, Texas. We take a look around the kitchen here. You can see that we've got shaker panel doors on the cabinets here. They've chosen an alder custom cabinet build. Just like all of our builds, we do custom cabinetry on all of our Barndominiums. We have our customers pick out whether they want drawers, they want cabinets. We want that to be custom fit to the owner of the home. So what we've got here is another thing that we do on almost all of our builds is we have soft close doors and drawers. So you can see the cabinetry here, really good finish, but then we can see the soft close doors and drawers in action. This is their designated pantry area that we've got. And so we can take those, and again, we've got those soft close drawers in there that we can utilize. And if we move over here to the corner here, you can see the little coffee bar that we've installed here for them. Say they've got Keurig and coffee pot that they want to put here so when they wake up in the morning, they can get a fresh cup of coffee. All right, so as we step over here in one of the bedrooms, this is again a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Barndominium. So we're over here in bedroom number 2, and we just wanted to show you some of the trim work that we have. These are basically standard trim out packages for an 1845 Barndominium. We come over to our window here, you can see that we have sheetrock trim on the interior of the window. This is a squared off corner. We also can offer the bullnose or rounded corners here throughout the house if the homeowner chooses that. We also have our 12-inch window seal that we have here painted with our trim piece underneath to match. Also, if you look here to my right, you can see our door trim here. So this is a 1x4 trim piece that we have that is butted with a little bit of an overhang here. This is a common option that some of our homeowners pick. The other option that we do here is we can miter these at a 45-degree angle, and then we can butt these up and they can be flush here on the end. We don't have to have that overlap there. But again, those are custom items that our homeowners can choose whatever they would like to put in their home. These homeowners chose to take a shaker panel, a paint grade shaker panel door to match the shaker panel cabinets that we had in our kitchen. And then you can see to match with our 1x4 trim here, we've also chosen 1x6 trim on the baseboards here throughout the house, and you'll be able to see those as we go throughout the house. All right, so as we step over into the bathroom here, you can see we're going to show you some shots of the cultured marble shower and tub that we have over here. Also, we've used cultured marble for our vanity countertops here in the bathroom. You'll be able to see that we've got the same standard trim in here with our 1x4 around the doors, our 1x6 on the baseboards, but a real nice package together here so you can get a really good look here of the cultured marble, some of the color options that we can show. And that is a very, very popular option with a lot of our homeowners, is to use a granite countertop in their kitchen area. And then as we step into those bathroom areas for the shower and the countertops there, a very cost-effective way to go is the cultured marble. All right, guys. So we're going to show you real quick, just kind of a look at this vanity, this countertop that we have here in bathroom number 2. So we wanted to just take a second and explain to you why. You can see some of the plastic coating that we have on these. These are to protect these countertops until we are completely finished with the build. We want to make sure that nothing happens here because we do still have workers coming in and doing some of their top out and finish out. But you can see as we show you this countertop as well as the shower over here, you'll see that they're just a perfect match, a perfect blend with that cultured marble. And then as we move over into the master here in just a few minutes, you'll see that these colors are just absolutely beautiful. They match perfectly, and they match that granite that we see in the kitchen area as well. So now as we move to the other side of the home over here, we're going to walk into the master bedroom. Now, you've got the same basic trim out package that we have here, the 1x4, the 1x6. You still got the shaker panel doors. There's nothing really different here in this room. What makes this room unique and different from the other bedroom is the tray ceiling that you see here above me. You can see, no, that's not a light fixture missing. We do have fans that are going to come in. Those have not been installed yet. Again, we've still got a little bit of work left to do before we get this build completely finished out. But you can see this room is just almost exactly the same dimension-wise, a little bit bigger over here than the other bedroom, but these tray ceilings are absolutely beautiful and just a good custom fit for this particular homeowner. All right, so now we moved into the master bathroom of this particular Barndo. You can see here that we have double vanities, his and hers sinks in the bathroom. You also see one of the things that we like to do to customize our homes. We show these vanity lights and these plumbing fixtures So we want to elaborate on that just a little bit. This is one of the ways that we can customize a home with 1845 barndominiums. We want those homeowners to be able to have the freedom to choose those vanity lights, those plumbing fixtures, and other items throughout the house that are going to really custom fit that home to their particular needs. So the last thing to show you here in the master bathroom is going to be the cultured marble shower that we have here. Now, this is a huge shower. This thing is 6 foot by 4 foot, so it has plenty of room in it. We have a lot of homeowners that come in and say, you know what, I don't want some standard shower. I want to make sure that it's big enough to meet my needs. So this is a great example of how we come in and design this bathroom in this particular space around the shower that the homeowner wanted. And you can see the gorgeous cultured marble pour in here. We've got a storage spot here in the corner that's built in and poured in with that cultured marble here right next to the nozzle, so we can store shampoo, soap, and whatever else we need in the shower. But this is just a great example of what we can do with cultured marble in an 1845 barndominium. All right, so we want to step in here into the master closet and show you another couple of ways that we can customize the interior of a home. So in each of our closets, we give the homeowner the option of upper hanging rods, lower hanging rods. We like to put shelving on top of both of those hanging rods. And then we also have a shoe rack included in that closet space. Now, if a homeowner comes to us and says, hey, I don't want a shoe rack, or I would just like to have uppers, no lowers, we want to be able to customize that completely to fit their needs. You can see here that the homeowner here behind me has chosen no lower hanging rods on this particular portion of the closet. But then on the other side, we're looking at uppers and lowers in this closet. So in this one closet, we've got the option chosen to have only uppers and then uppers and lowers in here. Another way that we just try to customize our homes as much as possible. So you can see here that we offer a shoe rack. Now this particular homeowner just chose to have one shoe rack installed in the corner here. You do have the option to come in with our trim folks and explain to them how exactly you want your closet laid out. If you'd like to move that shoe rack to the other side of the closet, and again, we hit on a little bit earlier, whether or not you want uppers and lower hanging rods or the shelving, you're going to get to fully customize that closet to fit your needs. All right, so the last place we're going to visit inside the house today is going to be the living room. So there are a couple of unique features that we want to show you here that we do offer in almost all of our barndominiums. It just kind of depends on what the homeowner tells us that they want. So we have can lighting throughout all of our houses. We go over that plan with our homeowners, and our homeowners actually get to do a walkthrough with the electrician to make sure that the plugs and outlets and the light fixtures and everything that we are installing are going to be suitable for where the homeowner wants them. And one thing that we do offer, and this particular homeowner wanted to do, was we wanted to install dimmer switches in the living room and the kitchen area. So what our electricians will typically do is tell them, hey, wherever you want those switches, go pick the switches that you want and we'll install them. So you can see here, if we look to the living room here, you can see that they have chosen to do just a real convenient, easy little dimmer switch there right next to their light switch. And so it really adds a lot of effect to the living and kitchen area. And another thing that we want to point out is the flooring. And throughout the house, they've chosen a vinyl plank flooring throughout the house. That is kind of a standard for the homes that we build, but we do offer stained concrete, the polished concrete. We can do carpet, stamped concrete, you name it, we can offer it. But this particular homeowner chose to go with the economical route of doing a vinyl plank flooring. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for us here today in Diana, Texas, in our 2-bedroom, 2-bath Barndo here. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can see how to subscribe below. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment area. We'd love to hear from you. Go by and check us out on Facebook. You can like our page there. And don't forget to check us out on 1845barndominiums.com. You can submit a request for information or a request for a quote there. You'll see the tab on our website to click. We'll send that information directly to our sales team. We will gather some information from